how to change your Grubhub driver region. Here's what you want to do. Open up the browser on your phone and Google search for Grubhub, submit a request. Click on the first link here, driver support grubhub.com, and here's how we do it. Please choose your issue below. You will now choose delivery partner's request form. Afterwards, you will need to fill out your email address, first, last name, and also the topic is very important. Click on select a topic and you will choose I have delivered a Grubhub order. Now from here, you will then choose account updates and then select changing my delivery region. And you will need to select a reason for your delivery region change request. So I'm gonna do my current region is closing, and you will need to also fill out your email used to sign up, phone number used to sign up, and you can also check this box here. Next, you will need to fill out the new address and the transfer start date when you want to change your delivery address, and also provide any additional information in this field, as well as write a subject. Next, you will submit this and you want to wait for a response from Grubhub whether your region change was approved or not. You want to check your email address. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.